Hi, Vadodara. First of all, this is the most beautiful reception I have gotten anywhere. So thank you so much. मेरे को पता नहीं है how to put it in words at this point because I'm just so overwhelmed with everything. I just want to say thank you. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for coming and I'm very excited to be here. So, should we begin?
We all could see actually, Prajakta was having खुशी के आंसू यहाँ पर आकर, right? Her whole journey was so beautiful. चलो प्राजक्ता फिर शुरू से शुरू करते हैं हम सारी चीजें.
हाँ.
And since हम सब ने देखा और हम सबको पता है that you started as an intern with one of the radio stations, right? And today you are an author. So मुझे ये बताओ कि तब की प्राजक्ता उतना ज़्यादा लिखती थी जो आज की प्राजक्ता है. क्या डिफरेंस है तब की प्राजक्ता और आज की प्राजक्ता में?
उस टाइम पे एक्चुअली मैं लिखती थी. आई हैव बीन राइटिंग एवर सिंस आई वाज वेरी यंग क्योंकि मैं जर्नलिंग करती थी हमेशा और मेरे को मज़े इसमें आते थे कि मतलब मेरा किक वो होता था कि मेरे दिन में आज जो भी हुआ है हाउ डू आई राइट इट एज अ स्टोरी इन माई जर्नल. सो आई हैव पाइल्स एंड पाइल्स ऑफ जर्नल्स जो मेरे पता नहीं मैं 5th 6th स्टैंडर्ड में थी शायद जब मैंने लिखना शुरू किया. उसमें मैंने अपने एवरीडे लाइफ को आई हैव रिटन इट एंड नरेटेड इट एज स्टोरी. सो उस टाइम पे लिखती थी. आई थिंक फ़र्क सबसे ज़्यादा ये है कि उस टाइम पे पढ़ने वाले नहीं होते थे तो अब हैं ऐसा लगता है. और यहाँ आके जब सबसे मिलो तो ऐसा लगता है कि ओके चलो इवन इफ देयर इज वन पर्सन हु इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू मी बाय ब्लड who would like to read this, I should put it out.
So many of people have actually bought this book right here because you are there. You guys, can I see those books up in the air? Can you see that one? Can you see all the love out there? Amber, over to you.
So, as we all know, your book Too Good to Be True is about romance. However, when we look back at the Prajakta, what she has done, we've seen that you have an experience in almost every field. Be it writing a rap song, Shameless, be it about body shaming, be it acting in movies, or being appointed as UNDP's India's first youth climate champion. So with your expertise in different backgrounds and understanding in different fields, what made you still write about romance?
I've always loved romance. I also really love reading romance. Do we have romance readers in the house? So you know what I'm talking about, right? Like you will start reading romance. और मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ ना कि मैं बचपन से पढ़ती आ रही हूँ लेकिन मैं हमेशा ये कहती हूँ कि my book puberty I hit very late क्योंकि मैं 28 साल की थी when I picked up my first romance novel which was Set on You by Emilia. और उसके बाद मैंने कहा ये कौन सी दुनिया है जिसके बारे में मुझे पता ही नहीं था and why haven't I read about it so much. So I have been on a rampage just reading romance novels after romance novels. Having said that, growing up, I've always loved romance. I've loved watching romance. I've loved listening to romance. I used to listen to a lot of audio stories. In general, I knew that if I ever want to write, and I always wanted to write fiction, I knew it had to be in romance.
That is so beautiful. So everybody, let's give it up for Prajakta ka romance in the house. Prajakta, romancing, because अगर हम romance के बारे में बात करें तो it is not just about people, it's about your work as well, right? So mic lover आप थे, that's where when you decided to become an RJ. So अब you have done so many achievements in the life and across. तो मुझे ये बताओ कि आजकल हमारे बहुत सारे यूथ ऐसे हैं उनको ये नहीं पता होता that which exactly is the right path for them. So how much particular you were that यार मुझे लाइफ में यही करना है and this is the right path for me.
मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि the right path for me is radio क्योंकि मैंने जब when I was growing मैं 11 साल की थी जब मैंने decide किया था कि मुझे radio jockey बनना है. And all through my growing up years I started working as a radio jockey when I was 20. I started working as a radio intern when I was 20. So all through my growing up years, I have trained myself for only that क्योंकि मुझे लगा that is the right path for me. Till I became a radio jockey and I realized I'm so bad at it. I don't enjoy it. I am not good at it. And उस time पे I moved to YouTube. So honestly, अगर उस 20 साल की उम्र तक आप मुझसे पूछते हैं कि is it important to have a right path and how do you make that right path, I would say yes 100%. You need to have a plan and you need to be very confident where you're going. But if there's anything I've learned in the past 10 years with the way that my career has gone, or with the way that our country has changed, the digital economy fabric of the whole country has changed, मैं ये बोलूँगी, as long as you know what you like doing, उतना जानना ज़रूरी है. I think the possibilities are endless. इस time पे you could pick up any profession and there's 10 different things and more that you can do with it. So as I think more than the paths, I think you need to know what you like doing and what you want to do with your life, not in the sense of कि मैंने इसको follow करना या उसको follow करना. I think you need to find what brings you joy when it comes to work, and then there's no one right or wrong way to go about it, which is what I like about being a creator right now.
Right. So what was the joy in terms of writing, and why you didn't do it like at the early stage of your life, and why now?
I don't have the guts. Honestly, it's so daunting to write a book. और मैंने कहा लिख तो मैं लूँगी, पढ़ेगा कौन और क्यों कोई पढ़ेगा? Like I have no credit to my name as a writer. There's not anything. I mean, obviously, 10 साल से I've been putting out content on YouTube, and that writing is there. लेकिन उसके beyond मुझे भी उतना टाइम लगा सीखने को to tell myself कि okay, now maybe I can write a book when the opportunity kind of came. So I think that is why.
So I think, as you all know, you're very much for social changes. You really like making an impact socially, right? So when it comes to education, in that aspect also, you've always been that, nahi, sabko, you know, everybody should get education, be it girls or whatever. So at IIMN also, we have actionable goals like, and one of them is education for all. And, you know, through your special episode of Creators for Change in 2020, you interviewed different girls in different countries, and then eventually went to Michelle Obama with it. So today we have a lot of young people, as you can see, with us. So how do you think as young people, can they contribute to make education accessible?
How do young people contribute to making education accessible? You know, this is something I learned on the same project for Creators for Change when I was in Lucknow. I was sitting down with the principal of the girls' school that I was at. She said that I cannot run a successful girls' school until there is a successful boys' school next to it, because we need the men and the boys to go to school to understand why it's important for the girls to go to school. So she spoke about it, and that opened a lot of windows in my mind. Also, I feel very proud that this generation, this is the most aware generation we have ever had. They have information at their fingertips and they're actually doing something about it. They're not sitting on that information, turning a blind eye, saying, "हमें क्या पता, हमारा काम है नहीं, government देखेगी." I think we should feel very optimistic, because young people today have opinions which are strong, which are not very likable at all times, but they are opinions which we didn't have for a very long time. They have a voice which they use. We have the internet that they go to for platforms, and they are aware. They know what they're speaking about. They're sharp. They are intelligent. They know very consciously what they're spending their time and energy on. And I think if that is not what you can depend on, I don't know what is.
Exactly. So Prajakta, you know, in today's time, in the world of digitalization, in the world of social media, we have endless social media creators, okay? But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अब हम लोग कहीं पर भी बाहर जाते हैं ना, so we make content for real, not for our own personal things, because there was an old time when we used to click pictures, we used to, you know, make videos for our own thing. So what do you think, and how do you, you know, make that line between real and real life?
जब पहले सपोज फोटो एल्बम्स का ज़माना सोच लो, तब भी फोटोज़ तो इसीलिए लिए जाते थे ना, ताकि फैमिली को दिखाया जाए, दोस्तों को दिखाया जाए कि हम बार बार जाके देखें. कोई अगर आए तो हम उनको फ्रेम करके अपने घर में लगा के देखें कि देखो भाई, हम तो नेपाल गए थे वेकेशन पे, हम श्रीलंका गए थे वेकेशन पे, कि हम केरला गए थे, हम बड़ौदा आए थे वेकेशन पे. I think the intention has always remained that. The intensity has changed now, but I think that's just the way of the world at this point, don't you think? Also, in general, I think, again, with intention, कि आपने, are you looking at it as a business? Like for me, it's a business. For me, it's my job. It's how I earn my money and pay my bills. So I will always look at it as real. For me, it's important to then have a very personal line drawn between how much I want to share and how much I don't. But I think as you grow older, as you keep sharing, you make that line for yourself. It's not that tough. Eventually, गिर पड़ के एक दो बारी जब झटके लग जाते हैं, तो आप अपने लिए वो बना ही लेते हो ढंग से कि कैसे आपने इसको हैंडल करना है. बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अ वेरी कि आजकल ये होता है. आई थिंक इट्स ऑलवेज बिन दैट. अभी स्केल बदल गया है.
So, you know, as you talked about the intensity, we see people doing dangerous things in terms of making reel, just for the sake of a reel. So, what message would you like to give to all of them, you know, because कहीं ना कहीं अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर एक reel बनाने में वो लोग इधर उधर चले जाते हैं.
या सेल्फ प्रेजर्वेशन तो आपको खुद का खुद आना चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप कुछ गुड वेल डन नहीं, isn't it normal? मतलब अब आप इससे इस and I'm not speaking about anyone in particular. I'm just answering this कि and when I speak about self preservation, I don't just mean physical, I also mean mental. कि अगर आप अपने आप को इंटरनेट पे डाल रहे हो, if you're giving that much access to the whole world to you, you need to know how to take care of yourself. Especially because you've grown up in this era. ऐसा नहीं है ना कि हम 35 साल के हो गए और अचानक से हमारे पास ये आ गया कि भैया अब हमको तो पता ही नहीं इसको कैसे हैंडल करना है. How old is everyone here? What's the average age? 20? 19? Y'all are born after 2000? Ridiculous liars. Nobody's born that late. So I'm saying you're 18, you're 14. Who's 14? Oh. You read my book with parental guidance, okay? I don't want your parents coming at me like, Prajakta, what was that chapter named Elephant? So I'm saying now we have 18-year-olds, 19-year-olds, we have 14-year-olds. Now the 14-year-olds are also very sharp. You are growing up in that time. So I think while you put yourself out there, exposing yourself, using the leverage that the internet gives you, it's important for you also to keep that one eye open, saying, okay, how much of this am I willing to let me get affected by? So I think in general, mentally, physically, 14, 15 साल, 19, 20 साल, 22, 30 जितनी भी आपकी उम्र है, आई थिंक धीरे धीरे आपको सेल्फ प्रेजर्वेशन तो खुद का खुद सीख जाना चाहिए. आई डोंट थिंक दीज थिंग्स रियली, दिस इज तो बेसिक ना. मतलब
Over to you.
So I think as we saw, we have many categories. We have 14, we have 19, we have 20. And if we say for today's youth, skill set has become more important than just theoretical education. So at IMN also we believe in building the skill set. So however the current education system that is there, it still believes in, you know, theoretical learning. There is no like, do theater or do practical learnings. So how do you think that, I think this question would be to more teachers and all in favor for the students, that how do we go beyond classrooms and how do we go beyond those textbooks?
as someone who's probably the least educated in this room, I don't think my opinion holds a lot of value, honestly. I don't think so. I have dragged myself through my mass media degree. I was an extremely average student. I think most people around here at this point, other than the 14-year-olds, I hope, are more educated and have clearly more informed kind of opinions towards this. Hey, thanks so much for turning this light off, dude. This was such a good idea. It's burning up the stage. तुमको दिख रही हो ना? हाँ, okay, तो फिर ये मत जलाना भाई, please. I don't think I have the right qualification to answer how the educational system should be. But you know what I wish? I wish EVS or environmental studies wasn't such a low-graded subject. You know what I mean? Is it still the case? मतलब मेरे केस में जब मैं स्कूल में थी 10 मार्क का पेपर होता था भाई. 10 मार्क के पेपर के लिए कौन पढ़ाई करता है? कौन टाइम स्पेंड करो? मैं अपनी बात कह रही हूँ. So I really wish that it was a subject that was slightly higher rated. That way, the younger people would actually grow up knowing what carbon footprint is for real, knowing what the world is going through for real, knowing what these abbreviations are, knowing what the SDGs are, knowing what the world is coming to. So that when they are in a place to make conscious decisions for their lifestyle, it will be a lifestyle and not a lifestyle change, which is happening for a lot of people my age, where now we have to make that change कि नहीं यूज़ करनी है ये बॉटल क्योंकि ये पढ़ा था मैंने, अब अलग बॉटल यूज़ करनी है. Instead of that, if I grow up using something that is sustainable. It'll be an easier, I think, route. So educational system ka to pata nahi. I really hope that environmental studies were a little higher rated.
All right, so Prajakta, you know, Subha say everyone is so excited that Prajakta is coming, and yeah, I want
Ulta hai
to know.
poster bhai.
I want to know your feeling the time when you entered the campus of Parul University. What was your first impression?
Y'all are romance readers, right? You know how sometimes you pick up a romance book because the cover looks very innocent? And then you go through the pages and you're like, what is that? Crazy. That's how I felt when I entered this university. And in the best way. क्योंकि जब मैं गाड़ी से निकली ना, सब बड़े तमीज से अपनी अपनी जगह पे, मैंने कहा अच्छा, मैंने कहा कहीं दूर होगा, कहीं जाना है इवेंट. And then I see all march past बोलते हैं उसको. I see them in uniform. Then I saw the dholwalas. Great touch, by the way. Great way to start the way. I mean, honestly, dude, you all got me dholwalas. You win. On the whole book tour, you win. So I started with the dholwalas, and then there was this beautiful performance that the boys and the girls of the university, I'm guessing, put together. And you know what I like? That everyone who's met me today has looked me in the eye. Everyone has looked at me when they're dancing. Everyone who performed here, thank you so much. That girl who played Dimple, who played Prajakta, was so cute. Where's Shishi here? She was so cute. I love that, right? And everyone, all the dancers, can we please hear it for them loudly? Like they came on stage and they're looking at me, and I just felt like that was such a beautiful thing. You have outdone anyone ever.
Any memory that you would like to share of yours when you were there in college?
There are teachers here. I'm wondering which ones I can share. But I always loved being on stage. My college memories are all around my college fests. I went to Kedkar College in Mulund, and my college fest was called Dimensions. So my academic year would be Dimensions to Dimensions. It wouldn't be SEM to SEM. So for me, I think my fondest memories are rehearsals, making all the posters, working on all the BTS scenes, rehearsing, being on stage. Anytime I got to be on stage, I think I was the happiest.
Wow, that was beautiful. On that note, everybody, let's give it a huge round of applause for Prajakta's Love in the House.
So, you
Turn it off.
can
Turn it off. It's like the sun is staring at us.
we'll have it. Can we just have it dimmed, maybe? Okay. So, आपने जैसे बोला, आप you are the millennial here, and everybody mostly is Gen Z. So, Too Good to Be True is your labor of love, and it took you almost a year to write. A year and a half to write, which shows that it was a lot of perseverance and consistency. So today's Gen Z, however, believes in instant gratification. So to all the young people here, what would you advise to be on holding on to perseverance and consistency and not be like, ho jayega?
नहीं हो तो जाता है usually. But I also think that there is no alternative to it. No matter what you are working on. I should tell them why perseverance and consistency is important. Because it got me here, dude. There is no way I am that talented. There has to be more to it. I think I'll give a lot of credit to my hard work. I'll give a lot of credit to the fact that I don't give up easy. I am very, very consistent. I will show up every single day for myself. And that is the only thing that worked for me. Because when I started doing this, I had absolutely no clue what I was doing. It's not like I know what I'm doing right now. I'm still winging it. I'm still trying new things, still diversifying. But I don't think I even know what's going on. So the only thing that's constant in this roller coaster of a job that I have is the fact that I hold on to hard work and consistency. That's the only thing that is foolproof. That's the only thing that works. So hold on to that. It's also the easiest.
I think you show up for most of the hashtag Real Tuesdays. that I've been following. So that shows that you're really consistent with it. And we keep waiting for all those hashtag Real Tuesday talks to come in.
Thank you.
Exactly, and as she said, that consistency is the key. But talking about the roller coaster ride, Prajakta, not every day is same. Right, so I'm sure जितने भी हमारे पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी के students इस time पर यहाँ पर हैं, they are also going to be facing the same roller coaster ride once they get into the corporate world. So how do you keep yourself sane with that low phase of your life, or whenever it's a bad day or something? What is that success mantra of yours?
I think you need to surround yourself with people. All kinds of people. And your immediate circle needs to be healthy. For me, I think the magic potion for me is that my immediate circle is very, very healthy. I have a great relationship, touchwood, with my parents, with my partner, with my friends, with my team. We've all been together for, thank you, we've all been together for really, really long. Say now there is attention on you. Now you must speak. What were you saying? Acha. Anyway. No, thank you so much. But I think my immediate team is what keeps me sane. My immediate circle of people is what keeps me sane.
Superb, yeah. So एक फटाफट से एक rapid fire हो जाए. What say people? I want all the hearts up in the air. Let's do that one for Prajakta. Yes. That is the love and the fire of Parul University right here at Vadodara Literature Festival. So over to you. Amber, let's have some quick and fighty questions.
Yeah, so you'll not have time to think. It's going to be very quick. Yeah.
I don't have time to think.
Yeah.
Copy.
Whatever the first word.
Got it.
Yeah. RJ.
What RJ?
RJ is the word. So what comes to your mind when I say RJ? Radio jockey.
Malishka. She was always one of my favorites growing up.
Okay. Travel.
What? Nepal? Yes. Okay, Kathmandu.
Okay. Hashtag Real Talk Tuesday.
Hashtag Real Talk Tuesday is... Huh?
आप ही
Today.
लोग आंसर कर दो तो फिर यहाँ क्या ही होगा?
Today. There's
stage
one
पे
coming up
cancel
today. So yeah, today.
Okay, this one I want to know. Momos.
Momo Vishank. Momo is Vishank in my love language because every time if we ever... it's so funny. Anytime we have a fight, we know that the other one wants to make up if we make Momo together. So we will always come back together and we'll be like, chal chhod, Momo banate hain.
Okay, mismatched.
Rohit, yes, but also mismatch changed our lives. So blessing.
Okay. Too good to be true.
Fingers crossed.
Okay. Youth.
Youth? Great.
Vadodara Literature Festival.
Vadodara Literature Festival? Beautiful.
Then IIMUN, the organization, and the university, Parul University. Both of them together. What comes to your mind?
What comes to my mind? It's just gratitude that comes to mind. Thank you so much for getting me here.
Okay. Thank you so much for being a wonderful audience and for being here today. We'll take a quick selfie.
No, we're going to do questions.
Okay, yeah, we'll do
All right.
questions and then do a selfie.
How many of you want to ask questions to Prajakta? Okay, you have to shout zor se.
No, we'll
All
pass
right.
on the mics.
Yes. They're getting the mic, all right? Can we have the mic?
Okay, how about this? We'll send one mic from the stage also. So we can have one mic on this side and one mic on this side.
Rotik, जल्दी और mic ले.
Is it just me who's melting?
No, I'm also melting. I'm from Kashmir and I'm dying.
Oh my
I am
God.
dying. I think Vadodara has been very hot for the past 2 days.
The morning was so nice.
Nice,
though.
chilly. Can we have the mics around and can we quickly take few questions? Who has the mic? Okay.
All right,
Then
we have two
begin.
mics
Shoot.
already there. Okay.
I think we have it there.
Hello.
Hello, check.
Are, I'm saying.
Check. Yeah. Hello, Didi. Arey yaar. Oh. Hello.
Hello.
I'm big fan.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Saksham Bajpayee.
Saksham?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Actually, मेरा question ये है कि now that you are diversifying a lot, right? You went from YouTube, you were invited to the Nikhil Kamath show. Please, man, come on, clap. Yeah. अब आप एक्टिंग में भी आ चुकी हैं. द क्वेश्चन आई वांट टू आस्क इज दैट आर्टिस्ट की जर्नी हमेशा लिखने से ही चालू होती है, ठीक है? और व्हाई इज इट दैट राइटर्स हैव टू बिकम फेमस बिफोर दे बिकम ऑथर्स?
That's not true.
Like why is it a pattern? Like I want to be a writer, good writer.
So to be a good writer, I think you just need to write.
Oh, okay.
I also think that any kind of art form is so subjective. Any kind of art form cannot be good or bad, is what I believe. It always finds its own audience, it always finds its own journey. So I don't think you have to be anything to be an artist. I think you are an artist and that's a beautiful thing. So you should write.
Thank you so much. Can I get your autograph?
I think so. I'm doing a book signing after this.
I don't have the book.
Okay, who's next? Who has the mic? I sent my mic down here.
Hi, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. This side, ma'am. This side. First row.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Cherish.
Your name is?
Cherish, ma'am. Cherish.
Cherish?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, ma'am. Ma'am, mainly I have two questions from you, ma'am. First of all, ma'am, how do you like balance your work life as you are very busy creator, ma'am? So how do you do your health care, like self-care? How do you, ma'am, manage it all?
I think for me, वो भी age, as I've grown older, I've understood that. पहले मैं भी ऐसी थी कि मतलब कहीं पे दिमाग नहीं चल रहा, कुछ नहीं चल रहा. Eventually, when you hit that many content blocks, you hit that many exhaustions, you realize that there has to be some kind of process in mind. So मेरे लिए मेरे workouts बहुत important हैं. मेरे लिए मेरा reading बहुत important है. जब भी मुझे लगता है कि things are getting a little overwhelming, now I'm at a place कि मुझे पता है कि कोई बात नहीं, एक दिन ले लो, कर लो काम और फिर आगे बढ़ लो. So that is how I take care of myself.
Okay,
And how I manage personal and professional, I think is because I have a very efficient team. I don't think I could have done it without my team.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, my second question is, ma'am, like आप दोनों में से like you and Vrishang, who did you propose first, ma'am? Like who proposed anyone, ma'am? Like
For relationship or for marriage?
for relationship, ma'am, of course.
For relationship, he did.
Okay, and ma'am for marriage, ma'am,
Huh?
and for marriage.
He did.
Okay.
Here, can we send the mic down here somewhere?
Ma'am.
Hello. Hi, what's your name?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. I am Mehak Sachdev.
Mehak.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, ma'am, and nice to meet you too. My question is, who is your role model?
Many. I've had the pleasure of actually meeting very many inspiring people, many very inspiring people in the world. To begin with, my parents, 100%. My sister, who actually lives in Baroda, so Baroda is very, very special for me. My team growing up in the past 10 years, meeting Michelle Obama was a huge thing. And I love my job because I end up meeting so many people, especially women, who are doing wonderful work. So I don't have one idol, I have many. Thank you, Mehak. Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
I'm Pal. And
You are?
Pal. P-A-L. Pal.
Pal? That's
Yes.
beautiful. Hi, Pal.
Thank you so much.
Is that short for something or that's your name?
No, that's my
Lovely.
name. I've loved you for a very long time.
Thank you.
And my question is, I watched Mismatched a lot of times, to be honest.
You watched Mismatch a lot of times?
Yes.
Okay.
Rewatched it and watched it. And I have learned that as Dimple, you've grown, right? So as Prajakta, what have you learned from that character?
From Dimple?
Yes.
I think what I learned from Dimple is just the resilience to go after what you want for yourself. I love the fact that she's selfish because that's not a very idealistic woman trait that we are raised believing. You know, we are always raised to look out for everyone else, to take care of everyone else, but we always look at ourselves the last. I love that she puts herself first. I think that's what I learned from her.
Hi, Prajakta.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Astha. Astha.
Astha?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, very nice to meet you.
I can't hear you very well, Astha.
It's very nice to meet you.
Yes.
My question, I am also an avid reader like you are. I read romance till my brain fries. So, I wanted to ask you, how do you deal with the reality disappointment after you finish a really good book that changes your brain?
Why would I want to come back to reality? That I start the next book.
Exactly.
Why would I come back to reality? Everything and everyone in the fictional world is so much better.
Exactly.
Yeah, so how I deal with it is that I fall even deeper. So I go into the next book. It's fine, you'll figure it out. We'll all be 80-year-old crazy women. It'll be
Yes.
fine.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Astha. Do we have a mic here?
Hello, I'm
Hi.
Parth. Myself Parth Patil.
Parth, nice to
Yes.
meet you. Patil, कुठला आहेस?
Huh?
Patil, you said.
Yes, yes, yes.
कुठला आहेस?
मी मुंबईचा आहे.
मुंबईत कुठे?
अंधेरी.
Nice. हा.
My question is, what would be that one best advice you would give to a beginner content creator?
Start.
Yes.
That is the thing. Just start. I know. No, I'll tell you what. Because I know जेव्हा तू सुरू करत असशील ना, you will feel like I don't have the perfect idea or. What happened? When you start, you'll think, I don't have the perfect idea, I don't have the perfect equipment, and I don't know how to go about this. It doesn't make sense right now because you will never know how to go about this. So the one thing that you should do is just start, you'll figure it out. अरे
Okay. Yes, yes.
झालं तेवढंच.
अच्छा ठीक आहे ठीक आहे. Okay.
When I'm talking to him, he's looking here and there. And then he's like, then? Huh? Okay, good.
Hi, I'm Tanush Dixit.
You are?
Tanush Dixit.
Tanush?
Dixit.
Nice to meet you.
What is the biggest struggle you faced throughout your career?
I wouldn't call it a struggle. There's a lot of mistakes I've made and there's a lot of like content blocks and stuff. Tanush, focus. Yes. There's a lot of content blocks and stuff that I went through, but I wouldn't call it a struggle. I think I only came out of it stronger and it taught me a lot of things that I wouldn't learn otherwise. So touch wood, nothing. Do you have a mic? Where the mics have gone if nobody has mics? There we go. Hello.
Hello, my name is Nidhi Pattankar.
Your name is?
Nidhi Pattankar.
Say that louder.
Nidhi Pattankar.
Nidhi.
Yeah. So as I am a Maharashtrian and you are a Kori, so can we expect a Maharashtrian content from you?
Maharashtrian content from me? Every now and then, I like to do a lot with Marathi music on Instagram and stuff like that. But the thing is, because the internet in general is so widespread in our country आणि माझे जे analytics आहेत ना त्याच्यावरती इतके वेगवेगळे countries आणि cities येतात की मला वाटतं I don't want to alienate someone by speaking a language that they won't understand पण I will do stuff on Instagram, I promise.
आणि मला तू खूप खूप खूप
Thank you.
खूप जास्त आवडते. Love you, Prajakta.
Thank you, Nidhi.
हाय प्राजक्ता.
Hello.
कशी आहेस?
मस्त, तू कशी आहेस?
मी पण खूप मस्त.
नाव नाही सांगितलंस.
माझं नाव इशिता कुलकर्णी आहे.
इशिता.
And we met on the book launch, the 13th.
In
and
Mumbai?
And I want to give you this. I made it for you.
Okay, perfect. I'll get it from you after
And
this.
I want to ask you a question that it was the 13th when the book launched and now it's almost 20 days after how you're feeling?
I'm still processing, dude. Like, all of this is so unexpected. I had not expected this at all. So I don't know how to feel yet. Sometimes I get scared that I'm annoyingly calm. Like, I should be freaking out a little bit. but I'm not. So I think it's going to hit me one day when I least expect it. But right now, I'm still processing.
And there is good views and also bad criticism on the book. So how you're dealing with that? I would like to know about it.
I mean, honestly, I've been putting out content for a decade now. So as a creator, I know that everything I put out is not going to be loved by everyone, like any piece of content that there is. So I was actually prepared for good and bad reviews. I'm actually very happy and grateful for all of them, because that also gives me perspective as a creator going forward. Ki what is it that works, what is it that doesn't work. So criticism, I always enjoy and look forward to. Baseless hate, I don't have time for. I mean, look at this. So I would much rather focus on this.
मला तू खूप आवडतेस. I want you to sign this for me, please.
मी
and give
करेन,
it to me.
ह्याच्यानंतर करू.
Thank
पक्का.
you so much.
Thank you,
so much.
Ishita. Yes, yes. We should pass the mic on that. On the outside, we should pass it on the corners there. Yes, I'll come to you. In the meanwhile, can we just have the mic sent over here?
Thank you. Hello, Prajakta. Here.
Hello.
Hi, my name is Drashti.
Hi,
I've been
Drashti.
your fan since 10 years now.
Oh, wow. Thank you. I put you through a lot. I apologize.
No, you didn't. I love your content.
Thank you.
I wanted to ask that is there any part of Vrishank in the book? I mean,
Did you read the book?
No, I didn't.
Okay. I mean, Aman has brown eyes and dimples, and so does Vrishank. But beyond that, I don't think there's anything. It's just, I think that's just my type.
As in your romantic dynamic.
No secret spilled there. Nothing. Everything is fictional and made up, and it's not true.
Thank you.
I'm too shy, I think, to share that. Say.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, I'll come to you after this.
Hello,
Hi,
ma'am.
what's your name?
Azra. A-Z-R-A, Azra.
Azra, nice to meet you.
Ma'am, I'm a big fan since
Thank
so
you.
many years.
Thank
I'm
you.
so glad to meet you.
Thank you.
I have ordered your book, pre-ordered, and I've almost finished it. And I love how you wrote all the very best for your book.
Thank you very much,
Please give me your
Azra.
autograph. I'm dying for that.
I will. I'm doing a signing after this,
Okay.
so I'll do it then.
And my question is,
Yes.
is Mismatch season 4 coming or not?
That answer you and I will find out together only. I have no clue, and I'm as eager to learn about it as you are, trust me. So the minute I find out, you'll know about it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Yes.
Prajakta ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
1 second, I'm going to come to you. Just ask.
Thank you.
What's your name? Preet? Nice to meet you, Preet. Thank you. That's beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to meet you after this, promise. Thank you. Yes. Montu, you will see very soon. I'm actually working on a concept right now which might or might not have Montu. So, yeah. Yes.
Hi, Prajakta. I absolutely love you. My friends are also here. They
Hello,
also
parents.
love you. Parents.
Parents only you said, no?
Friends.
Hello, friends.
Well, we are almost 30 now. They
You're
will
almost
become-
30 now.
Yeah.
So?
No, you say na parents, so they will become parents almost now. We absolutely love you, ma'am.
Thank you.
And,
Why you didn't tell me your name?
my name is Ronak Taylor. Ronak.
Ronak.
Yeah. I wanted to ask you, how will you describe word love in today's generation, in today's time?
I wouldn't want to speak for the whole time and generation, but I can speak for myself.
Yeah.
I think, you know how as people you have all these ideals and you have all these ideas and ethics and boundaries and barriers and guardrails that you put for yourself. Ki this is what I want in a partner and this is how my relationship should be and this is how my future should be. For me, love is when someone who destroys all of this comes through and you don't mind it.
Absolutely.
You know, like someone who challenges everything you thought was right or wrong and gives you a whole new way of looking at life, I think, because also that's what happened with me. So I only have that experience.
Right.
Prajakta ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi ma'am, my name is Mitesh.
Your name is?
Mitesh.
Mitesh,
Mitesh,
I still can't believe that you are.
can you
right
get
in
your
front
mic a
of me.
little closer to you so I can hear you?
Yes.
Yes.
I still can't believe that you are in front of us, in front of all of us.
Thank you.
Honor and privilege to be talking to you, and thank you, Ayman, for giving me this opportunity. My question to you is, I am reading summaries of your book, Too Good to Be True. My question to you is,
What did you say before this?
I am reading the summaries and I'm going to start your book
Okay,
soon.
got it.
My question to you is, how much of Anvi is in you currently? How much of Anvi could you relate to?
Avni. If you have read the book, there's a character called Martin. I think I am more like Martin.
The coffee wala.
Huh?
The coffee wala.
Yes. Because my favorite character in the book is honestly Martin. There are many ways that I am like Avni, but there are many ways that all of us are like Avni. I think she's a very believable, regular character. So I see a lot of me in her, but I don't think I'm as, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, हाजिर जवाब as her. I wish I was. It took me a year and a half to write her so clearly.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, I think we can do one last question. And then we can talk when I go to the book signing.
Hello, ma'am. I wore your.
Hello, yes, you wore the shameless
Yes,
sweatshirt.
My name is Vivek Mishra, aka Anaconda. I'm a classical dancer, Kathak.
No, one second.
Yes.
Your name is Vivek Mishra, aka
Yes.
Anaconda.
Yes, because I love reptiles and I put my name as a stage name as Anaconda.
Why do you call yourself Anaconda?
Because you can find Vivek at every bus stop, but you can't find Anaconda.
Sorry, say that again?
Because you can find Vivek at every bus stop, but you cannot find Anaconda everywhere.
Thank God.
Yes. Can you
Can
please
you
make a video?
imagine how lethal that would be?
No, they are very normal.
Just people getting swallowed. No, they are very what?
They're just doing their own work. It's their natural thing to just do. Like snakes are supposed to what? They just move, they crawl, they swallow. I mean, I'm a reptile lover. I'm so sorry that it's creeping you out.
Anyway, your question is?
Yes, I am a Kathak dancer. I put up content on Instagram as well. And there are a lot of people who judge in such a way they just categorize you that you are something or that. You can get it what I'm trying to say. So what's your take on that? Because people, we are not make happy everyone. We cannot make people happy in such a way. So how to just deal with it and we can just do like what should we do?
First of all, please be kinder to yourself
Yes.
when you see these messages. Please don't let baseless hate ever derive your value in your mind, because trust me, you could be and I'm pretty sure you are, most graceful, most beautiful dancer in the world. Look at that. And they'll still have a problem. Also, having said that, most of them don't know jack shit about Kathak.
No.
So there is no way their opinion holds any value, because opinions तो उन्हीं के, criticism तो उन्हीं से लिया जा सकता है ना जिनके पास idea है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो.
Talent.
So discard that. Be very kind to yourself,
Yes.
because what you're doing is extremely brave also, because in any way, not because you're a Kathak dancer, but anyway, putting yourself out there on the internet open for feedback is a very gutsy thing to do. So congratulations. What's your Instagram called?
Underscore I am Anaconda underscore.
Underscore I am Anaconda underscore. Please follow him on Instagram, and when you do, make sure you show love, because I'm sure he's doing great.
Can I sing a song for you?
Do it.
आशियाना ढूंढता फिर रहा था यूं सदा चाहता है कि I'm so sorry.
कोई बात नहीं. Thank you so much,
Yes,
Vivek.
thank
That was
you.
lovely talking to you. Thank you. Okay, I think I'm going to go for the book signing now, so we can chat there. I'll see you there. But listen, thank you so much. This has been extremely heartwarming. Thank you.
All right, everybody.